Welcome to Future of Cars. Before we begin, please take a moment to click that subscribe button. The more subscribers I have, the more cars I have access to make more informative videos for you to watch. Today we are looking at the new 2023 Audi E-Tron all-electric SUV. The 2023 Audi E-Tron luxury electric SUV has a manufacturer's suggested retail price of $66,000 for the premium model. Premium Plus is $75,000 and the top Chronos edition starts at roughly $85,000. Both the 2023 Audi E-Tron and the sleeker E-Tron Sportback are smooth-riding SUV that prioritize comfort, which is no bad thing for a luxury marque. Even models with 21-inch wheels offer supple cushioning over the worst bumps. Because the E-Tron's big battery pack is a structural element in the chassis, the whole vehicle feels robust even when encountering potholes. Two electric motors propel the 2023 E-Tron and its Sportback counterpart. In the new for 2023 E-Tron S SUV and Sportback, there are three. They are all energized by a massive 9 to 5 kilowatt-hour battery pack set below the floor. The two-motor setup produces 355 horsepower and 414 pound-feet of torque, or 402 horsepower and 490 pound-feet of torque with boost mode engaged. The three motors in the E-Tron S models generate 429 horsepower or 496 horsepower with boost mode and 717 pound-feet of torque. Every E-Tron and E-Tron S has an electronic form of all-wheel drive, with power distributed between the wheels according to the conditions of the moment. Charging the battery from 5% capacity to 80% requires about 30 minutes on a DC fast charger. With a level 2 charger at home, a full recharge takes around 10.5 hours. The battery pack is covered by an 8-year, 100,000-mile warranty, whichever happens first. The regular E-Tron SUV is rated to travel 222 miles on a single charge. The Sportback can cover 218 miles. The E-Tron S SUV is estimated to travel 208 miles on its standard 20-inch wheels, or 181 miles with 21-inch wheels. And in an interesting turnaround, the E-Tron S Sportback should manage 212 miles on 20s or 185 miles on 21-inch or 22-inch wheels. Dig deep into the accelerator pedal, and this Audi is quick. This luxury SUV takes about 5.5 seconds when boost mode is activated. That's plenty of speed. Some buyers, though, are going to want more, which is where the E-Tron S comes in. With boost mode engaged, this S drivetrain creates 469 horsepower to achieve a sprint from standstill to 60 miles per hour in 4.3 seconds. Like most upscale Audi models, the E-Tron has an interior fitted with materials, textures, and colors that are warm, expensive-looking, and pleasing to touch. The central dash displays are split in two. The top 10.1-inch screen is for the infotainment system, and the lower 8.8-inch unit is for climate controls. The infotainment system is intuitive to use. And even though this is a tech-forward interior, Audi wisely chose to retain a physical knob to control the audio volume. The sleek shifter looks and feels like a piece of art. The center console between the front seats is less successful. It's essentially a deep bucket split down the middle with large openings in the sides. So reaching for things, cleaning the console, and keeping it organized is difficult. Rear passengers enjoy their own climate control functions on a mini screen. Rear legroom is also generous. Fold those rear seats down, and there's almost 60 cubic feet of space. For comparison, the Q5 has about 3 cubes fewer. Unlike some electric vehicles, the E-Tron doesn't sport any odd design that sets it apart from mainstream vehicles. Instead, Audi refined its traditional style and created a familiar and arguably quite handsome SUV. This is the electric luxury SUV for those who want to slip through traffic in relative anonymity. The large closed-off aluminum grille and the charging ports are some of the only clues that this is an electric vehicle. The full LED headlamp and taillamp signatures certainly deliver an upscale look, as do the large wheels and tires, as well as the contrasting brake caliper colors on some models. Speaking of wheels, Audi offers some great designs up to 22 inches in diameter. The Sportback body style trades a bit of cargo space for that sloping roofline to convey a sportier and more athletic personality. And we think it's the Sportback model that can pull off the e-tron's most vibrant colors, like Catalonia Red or Antigua Blue, most successfully. Adaptive air suspensions are often extra cost options, but the e-tron has it as standard. The ride quality is exceptional, as is the body control when dynamic mode is selected. The e-tron S models have a sport-tuned adaptive air suspension. A leading-edge EV deserves interior tech to match. Audi's virtual cockpit is one of the best executed gauge clusters of any luxury automaker. You can configure the 12.3-inch digital driver information display screen in a multitude of ways, including a big, beautiful route map taking center stage. With such an extensive list of standard equipment in the lowest premium trim, some buyers may feel that upgrading to a more expensive version is unnecessary. The entry-level 2023 e-tron comes with an air suspension, all-wheel drive, 4-zone climate control, 20-inch wheels, panoramic sunroof, virtual cockpit gauge cluster, LED lighting, heated steering wheel, power-adjustable steering column, and more. On the safety front, every 2023 e-tron has forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring with rear cross-traffic alert, front and rear parking sensors, and lane departure warning. Trim levels for the 2023 e-tron are Premium, Premium Plus, and the new Chronos Edition, which replaces the Prestige on non-Sportback models. Options for the premium trim include ambient cabin lighting, heated ventilated 8-way power adjustable front seats, adaptive cruise control, plus a Bang & Olufsen sound system. And there's a black optic package with 21-inch sport wheels and orange brake calipers. The new Chronos Edition adds Chronos gray exterior paint, S-line exterior, black optic package, digital matrix LED headlights, black 21-inch wheels with orange brake calipers, black headliner, volcano gray ash wood inlays, and rear side airbags. The e-tron Sportback brings a Convenience Plus package to its premium trim, which includes the driver assistance package, top view camera system, and the black optic exterior. The e-tron Sportback's Prestige package has massaging front seats, cabin air ionization and fragrance, full leather upholstery, multicolored ambient LED cabin lighting, and more. A new black optic plus package adds 22-inch sport wheels and orange brake calipers. A towing package is available to handle trailers up to 4,000 pounds. Thank you for watching. Please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I hope you enjoyed learning more about the e-tron. Enjoy the rest of your test drive.